Hello from Antarctica on my journey to visit the actual geographic South Pole, the southernmost point on planet Earth. This is one of the best moments of my life. Woo!
It's time to get prepared.
All right. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything that I brought with me on this expedition.
That's nice.
And yes, it is freezing outside. Let's go in my pod and check it out. So cold.
As you guys know, I'm always on the road. Since I'm usually in a hurry, it is extremely rare that I check bags on airplanes. I try to only pack essentials, but all my camera equipment makes it harder. Overall, I'm a pretty minimalistic traveler.
We've made it, oh my God.
But when you go somewhere as cold and remote as Antarctica, there's a lot more gear required to ensure a safe and comfortable trip.
Let's do it.
Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest place on Earth. It's twice the size of the USA, but it has no permanent human population. Instead, it hosts lots of animal species, including emperor penguins.
Hello there, Mr. Penguin.
The continent holds 70% of the world's fresh water in the form of ice, making it a crucial area for understanding rising sea levels. So I'm happy to travel here with White Desert, a carbon-neutral tour company that operates out of respect for the environment.
So basically, I brought 3 bags with me on this trip to Antarctica. We have one which has all my winter gear. Then we have this one, which is my other carry-on bag like normal. And then I have one, which is all my camera gear. Let's start with the actual South Pole gear. This is my OGO bag. I've been taking it all around the world. It's super durable. It's great for places like Antarctica. It's really cold outside. It's just really reliable, good bag. So basically, open her up. As so, you shall see a lot of things. But first off, in this pocket here, we have all kinds of like mittens and wool socks and hats and beanies. That all goes in this little pocket here. Then we have one big windbreaker jacket, yellow bag, sweaters, really warm sweaters to go underneath. We have winter hats that I got in Siberia.
Let's do it.
And outside we go.
That's nice.
Then we have backpack, long underwear to go under these snow pants. I got these big fuzzy pants. They're super warm. I wore them in Siberia. They kept me warm the whole time. They're really thick. Swimsuit in case of a polar plunge. Then I have these mountaineering boots, which I bought at REI. They're really expensive. They're like $700, but these are ones that you have to attach crampons on them. These big spikes that you can walk in the snow. Then of course what I'm wearing is one big down puffy jacket, then another big down puffy jacket, which White Desert, the company I'm here with, gave me. And then I have these snow pants and big baffin boots for snow. Then of course you have my other carry-on bag, which goes all around the world with me. Oh, this is a struggle just with all my gear on right now. I have regular shirts, shorts, hats. Ooh, I got a cool Antarctica hat. That's cool. Slippers, which I'm probably not going to use anytime soon. Light raincoats, some camera gear in there. Toiletries, a light just in case it gets dark in Antarctica, which it doesn't in the summertime, but just in case, I got a light. That is that carry-on bag. For those who are interested, this is my gear bag. Open this bad boy up. You have computer here in this flap. And then all of my gear and accessories here, from chargers, SD cards, ND filters, MacBook charger, lav mics. This is like all GoPro accessories and extra chargers and batteries, all kinds of power banks. I have like 7 power banks in my bag. Many different iPhones, just in case one dies, in case we need to have extra ones to shoot with. Sunscreen, because you really need to protect your face out here. More power banks, microphones, Sony cameras. Some of my awesome gear that I always have in my bag with me is my Sony camera, A7S III. And then we have this Insta360 is really clutch to get incredible shots. Always got to travel with a GoPro to get the best shots. The Hero 12 Black, absolutely epic. Yeah! Woo! This is really handy. This is a satellite phone. I can only send text messages from it, but there's no internet, nothing. It's just saying, hi, I'm safe, I'm alive. That's what this does. It's really, really helpful. It's made by Garmin. It's called the InReach Mini 2. And that, my friends, is everything that I brought with me to Antarctica and hopefully the South Pole, if we can make it there pending this weather. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe for more epic stories from this trip and beyond. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this channel for more awesome travels. And also I'm giving away a free digital version of my top 100 best travel photos of all time. All you have to do is click the link below and sign up for my free email newsletter, and you'll be sent this straight to your inbox. Thank you guys. Stay safe, be spontaneous, and just go.